Hey guys, welcome to the next video on shell scripting tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will learn how to use case statement in scripting. So the case statement is good alternate for multi-level if then else condition or statements. It enables us to match several values against one value. Now, what is the basic syntax for a case statement? So let me show you the basic syntax for case statement. So this is the basic syntax for case statement. You use the keyword case and then you give any expression to evaluate, right? This can be a variable name or any expression to evaluate. Then you will give the keyword in and then you match multiple patterns. So you can have multiple cases to evaluate. So you can use a pattern here. It can be a strict pattern or a flexible pattern like regular expression, and then you use this parenthesis, closing parenthesis, to show that this is the end of this case, and then comes the statement after this case. So if the case is true, then the statement is executed, and then this double semicolon indicates the script that this case statement has been finished. So start using the second case or start evaluating the second case, right? And with the second case also you can use a statement, and then the third case comes and fourth case, and then all the case comes. And at the end you have this ESEC or the reverse of case. So from right hand side you can see CASE, but it's the reverse of this case spelling, right? So this is how you can use a case. Let's take an example and let's see how we can actually use a case statement in real life. So let's say we want to evaluate a rental of some vehicle. So to that, for example, I will just take an argument with the script. So I will take an argument with the script when I run the script, and this argument I will save in for example in a variable, and variable name I will name it as vehicle is equal to, and then the first argument which is passed using the script, I will just pass it to the variable vehicle. Okay, and then I will evaluate this vehicle. So this expression comes here, and it can be a variable also, so you can just evaluate this vehicle here. So case and then dollar symbol and then the name of the variable which contains the name of the vehicle or type of the vehicle, and then this in, and then comes the pattern. Okay, so for now we will just see the strict pattern here or compare the strict pattern. So if this vehicle is for example car, we will just execute some statement. For example, we will echo that the rent of this car is something. So let's say we will print rent of the vehicle, in our case which is car, is $100 for example, right? In the similar manner you can echo second statement. So if the vehicle is for example van, then we will say rent of the van is $80, right? And in the same way we can add multiple pattern matching here. So let me add one more pattern. For example, we will get the input bicycle. So bicycle rent is for example $20 or let's say $5. Okay, and let's say user inputs truck. So the rent of the truck is $150 for example, right? And if the user inputs the any other value other than these four values, we want to catch this value which is a random value for example, and this random value you can catch from star and then this parenthesis. Okay, Now this asterisk means, if you know Linux command line, asterisk means a wildcard which matches any text. Okay, so in the default case, this case will be followed, and then we will say here, we will echo here that this vehicle is unknown, and we will just say the vehicle is unknown. Okay, so this is the default condition, right? So let's run the script and let's see what happens when we run the script. So, and then I will just run this script, and it says unknown vehicle because I haven't given any argument with this script, and this script expect that the first argument which is passed with the script is the vehicle type, right? So let's run the script once again. So let's say we enter car this time. So the script name and the argument is car, and you can see rent of the car is $100, right? So this condition or expression is met, so it echoes this statement, right? Earlier we haven't given any argument here, so it goes to the default case, which is this case, which is unknown vehicle, right? Let's give some other case, for example van, and this time the van is $80, for example. Let's say we enter truck, and this time the rent is $150 for the truck, right? So in this way you can do the pattern matching, and in this way you can use the case statement in scripting. But here the pattern matching can be anything. So right now we are matching the strict pattern, so we are just matching whatever is entered using this argument, but this can be anything. So this case can be any regular expression or any pattern which you want to match. So if you want to match some pattern, you can do it also in this case. And if you don't know what is pattern and how to use pattern, just search for regular expression, I think, and you will have the good idea about pattern matching and regular expressions also. Okay, so this is just one example of using case statement. In the next video I will take one more example of using case statement, and we will consolidate our knowledge on case statements. So stay tuned, and please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.